Greetings, global partners. This is CAMELSTEEL, your trusted steel solution manufacturer. With 20-plus years of export excellence worldwide, trusted by clients across 100-plus countries. Core products, GIGL, PGPGL, PAL. Welcome to the CAMELSTEEL Manufacturing Hub. Next up, head-to-head quality analysis. CAMELSTEEL versus industry benchmarks. Next, let me show you the wiping experiment. The entire wiping process takes about a minute. You will find that no matter how you rub the first one, it will not fade. This is CAMELSTEEL's quality. Choose CAMELSTEEL, choose confidence, choose CAMELSTEEL, choose longevity.